Tomi, Mia, and Luca crossed the golden door and entered a room illuminated by a soft, warm light. On the walls, blurry images slowly started to appear, soon turning into happy memories of their friendship.
Look, guys. These are all the moments we've lived together. Mia gazed at the images with a big smile and wide eyes. It's so beautiful to see everything we've done. I never thought all those things were so important. It's like each memory is a little gift from our friendship. It makes me feel really happy and thankful to have you both as my friends.
Yeah. It's like the workshop is reminding us how special we are to each other. Luca pointed to an image of them exploring the forest together, laughing and playing. Sometimes, when we're facing challenges, it's easy to forget how strong we are as a team. But seeing these memories here makes me realize that we've always been stronger together, from the very beginning. And that's what got us this far. All those moments prepared us for everything we've been through in the workshop. Tomi smiled as he saw an image of them helping an injured animal. Every little thing we did, even the small stuff, was helping us become braver and stronger. Everything we've faced together was important, and it's thanks to our friendship that we always find a way forward, no matter how tough the challenge.
In the center of the room, an ancient chest slowly appeared. It had 3 locks labeled, Trust, Friendship, and Memories. The 3 friends looked at each other, knowing they would need to use everything they had learned together to open it.
I think our friendship, our trust, and all our memories are the key. Mia gently placed her hand on the chest, feeling the warmth of their bond. It's not just a chest. I feel like it's a test to remind us how much we care for each other and how we always help each other. When I was scared, you two were always there for me, and that's what's going to open these locks, I'm sure.
The 3 friends placed their hands on the chest, closed their eyes, and thought about all the moments they had shared. In that instant, the locks began to glow with a soft, warm light, and one by one, they unlocked. Inside the chest, they found a golden clock that seemed to shine with a special light.
It's a clock. I think it's telling us that the time we've spent together is what really makes us strong. Luca held the clock and watched as its hands moved very slowly. It doesn't matter how many challenges we face or how much time passes, what really matters is that we're always together. That's what truly counts.
This clock will remind us that every moment together is special. Tomi nodded, looking at the clock and then at his friends. We don't need to rush or worry about what comes next. The best part is that we're always united, and as long as we stay that way, nothing can stop us. We'll always be strong because we're together.
With the golden clock in their hands, the 3 friends felt that their friendship was stronger than ever. As they prepared to move on, a new door appeared at the back of the room, but before crossing it, a deep, mysterious voice filled the air. The time you share is a treasure. It is not measured in minutes, but in moments that touch the heart. You have learned that your friendship is stronger than any test. Keep moving forward, there is much more to discover, but always remember what makes you invincible, your unity. The 3 friends looked at each other with bright smiles, feeling that every word the voice said was true. With hearts full of confidence and joy, they stepped toward the new door, ready to face any challenge the Enchanted Workshop might bring, knowing that together, they would always find a way to overcome everything.